I'm delighted to say that this is now the third year in a row that ACCA is supporting this occasion. Founded by the Carnegie Council, this is an annual international event dedicated to explore the role of ethics in today's world. And again, we're working on the global stage with the CFA Institute to mark awareness of this significant topic. Global Ethics Day falls during our 3-month programme called The Power of Ethics. During this time, we'll be highlighting the power of ethics, trust and sustainability, exploring these themes in the light of new ethical complexities we all have to face, from the challenge of digital technologies to the sustainability of our economies. ACCA is committed to developing an ethical accountancy profession in Pakistan and all around the world. Our aim is to help countries to grow and prosper in a sustainable way. That's why we believe that finance professionals are crucial to upholding ethical behaviour, and so the industry has a particular responsibility to lead on ethical issues. After all, good ethics makes good business sense.